Today we have an unboxing video of Epoch, Early Inventors by Rio Grande Games. Hi, I'm Kevin Baker, and you're watching another video from Shangri-La, my YouTube channel for tabletop board games, birding, and other educational videos. Please like and subscribe. This game was donated by Rio Grande Games, thank you very much, and it'll be added to the library at FlaMinGoCon, number 25, down in Delray Beach, Florida, on Saturday, June 8th, 2024. And if you have a play-to-win game, if you're a board game designer and you want your game to be given away at a convention, you can get in touch with us and we'll have people play the game. They'll get a ticket. At the end of the day, we'll call out a number, and if you're lucky, you get to be the one that takes the game home. So we can have a variety of games that we're having as play-to-win at the next FlaMinGoCon. Okay, so this game is pretty heavy. So it's for 1 to 4 players, ages 14 plus, 30-minute game, and its author is Martin F. Development by Jay Tummelson. Illustrations and layout by Hans Krill and Michael Stoop. Okay, so Epoch, Early Inventors. Let's start and see what we've got. So, Early Inventors takes you back to the start of civilization. You take the role of a clan leader and explore the landscape. Gather the raw materials needed to develop tools and skills. Fish for food and hunt for deer skins. Travel the earth by foot or canoe while also making sure to appease the gods. Domesticating horses or inventing a basket or cart enables you to carry more resources. Having boots or a cloak means you require less food when moving around. A spear helps when you go fishing or hunting. There are many paths to glory. You have the opportunity to create your own historical deeds. Do you have it in you to become a legend amongst your tribe? Components: 56 hexagonal tiles, 400 plus pawns and tokens, 4 carrier boards, storage tray, rule booklet, an appendix. Okay, let's see what we've got. Some nice looking artwork. Okay, so this one has your setup, so it explains how you can set things up. A nice sized rule book. Pretty detailed. We have cardboard pieces to punch out. Got some deer. That looks more like scat. That's a rock. And okay, figure out what those are. Things to collect. You get some horses, canoe. There's your cart and a basket. And you could pick some nice blue flowers. Let's see. You can make some gold bracelets. More nice pieces to punch out. Another setup. Okay, so apparently everyone can have their own canoe. And so maybe some pieces where you can build things. Clearly it takes 8 wood to make your canoe. Frankly, I'd rather start with 1 large piece of wood to make a canoe. More turn overviews, so everybody can easily see at a glance what needs to be done in each turn. Learn how to tie some rope, learn how to make some fire, and got some nice characters. hexagonal tiles. Looks more like a swamp. Yeah, lots of wood pieces. Little wood huts. And one small insert tray to make the box a little smaller. Has some nice artwork on it. Okay. We'll hope to see you all in person at the next FlaMinGoCon on Saturday, June 8th, 2024. Be well.